how y'all doing? My name's Tony Edwards. I'm with Edwards Overhead Doors, and I'm here at this customer's house to do a maintenance. Why don't y'all come along with me? Thank you. Alright, right now we're waiting for the homeowner to open his garage door, and we're going to go inside and do his maintenance check for him.
Sorry about that.
So you having any problems with your door?
Yeah, it's been making some funny noises. I think there's a problem with the motor or the chain or something. And I noticed the big squeaker.
Okay. Well, the first thing I want to do is I'm going to disconnect your opener and I'm going to check your door.
Yeah, so I've been having all kinds of problems with this door. Sometimes it won't stay down. Sometimes once I get it, like when I'm putting it down, it keeps coming back up.
Right. Well, first thing I want to do is I want to check the tension on your door. That way I can eliminate the door as your problem. Now, you see how your door sits right there in the middle of the opening? That's exactly what you want. That tells me that your door is perfectly balanced, your springs have enough tension, and the problem isn't your door.